Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a package which I'm gonna only show you the back because the front has my address. So I have this package. It's a squishy package. It's already open. It says just a little squishy. I ordered 16 squishies. There are in this bag. There's 16 squishies in this bag. Yeah, I don't really think that 16 squishies are gonna be in here, but maybe one of them are small or something. It's by B Yumi, if you guys can see it. I mean, it's like backwards, but it's okay. Where's the opening? Oh, right here. So let's open this up. Okay, so I'm gonna put this right here. Okay, I'm gonna put it down here. So the first one that I see is this one. This is little like doggy paw. It's in this bag. It has like a little hook, so you can like use this as a necklace or something. Okay, I'm gonna take it out the bag. It smells pretty good. It's not really like I expected of slow rising, but it's good. So small though, but it's cute. Put that back in the bag. Okay. The next one is, ooh, this one. Oh wow, it's a donut, but the sprinkles are all falling out. I guess whoever made this donut didn't really stick on the sprinkles good, but that's okay. It can just be a plain blue donut with white. I mean, there's sprinkles everywhere now in the package, but it's okay. This smells good too. Oh, it fits just like a little ring, but this is sprinkle. Look. 3, 2, 1. Squish. There. Okay, so let's put this back in the bag. Let's move on to the next one. Let's put them up here. Okay. Oh my gosh, I just saw a really cute one. Oh my gosh, I just saw the real cute one. Oh my gosh, this is just so cute. It's a big one, so I'm just gonna leave that one for last. But here I have another. This is so funny. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna show you this one. The one that I really like is on the floor. I'm gonna show that one last. But look at this one. This one is so funny. Look at the face. It's so funny. Like literally. This one is actually really squishable. Really slow rising. Let's put these squishes right here. Oh, the sprinkles fell out of the donut. This other ones are sticking on it. This one is so cute! Look at this one, it's so cute! It's literally so cute. They all to me smell the same. The back is just plain, but look at the front, it's so cute. Oh, so cute! Oh, it has something hard there. at the bottom though. But look at that, so cute. Oh, okay, this one is kind of an angry bird. Let me take it out. This one is angry. Back. Still the same. Smell. All of them smell the same. Just each one gets a little bit stronger and stronger. Okay. So then here's this other little donut. It's a little yummy bear donut. I think it's a yummy bear. So it's like so like soft and squishy. Like, look at that. So good. Look at that little face down there. I just love the face. I'll put that in the back later. Let me just put it in now, actually. Okay, so the next one is this just plain old bread. There's not even a face, not even like a little texture, not even like a little line or a wave or anything, just a plain old bread. Pretty slow rising. Okay. Oh, this one is like in a special bag. I don't know why. Look at this little kitten. Wait, there's something on it. Look at this tiny kitten. It's so cute. But this is not really like a little. This is not really slow rising. But look at that. It's so cute. All of them have hooks. That's what I can see. All of them have hooks. Okay. Okay. Oh, this one's so cute, but I'm gonna show that one later. Oh, this is like a little key. Look at this one. It's so cute. Let's squish it. That one is so cute. And this is actually really slow rising. Let me focus him on you guys. I don't know if you guys can see it, but that's actually really slow rising. Okay, I just have to show this one. So here's a little bunny. Oh my god, it's so cute. Look at that. This bunny is like so cute. Okay, this one smells really strong. Oh, this one is like sticky, so I can like stand. It's like, this bunny's like. And like, it leaves your fingerprints. A little bit. Oh no, it doesn't. I thought it did. Oh my god, that's so cute. I'm just gonna show it now. Look at this, look at this. Oh, defected. No, it's defected. That's okay. This feels like a little marshmallow. Can it stand? Hey. Oh, I can stand. Look at that. Up close, one hand. Boy. Okay, this is Winnie the Pooh. This is Winnie the Pooh, but in blue mode. I hope he still likes honey, unless he likes blueberry now. This is slow. Thank you. Okay, the one that I is waiting for. I mean, no, it came with a really large one. I saw in the bag, it literally came with a really large one. This is not the large one, but look at this one. It's a cat. It's an emoji. That's so slow rising. O-M to the G. Oh my gosh, that's so slow rising. Are you serious? No. This is a dream of me. Okay. And squish. And let go. Oh my gosh. Okay, now for the final. Okay, no, this is not the final one. Is it? Oh yeah, it is. This one I have to open it off camera because. Okay, this one smells different. And can you guys get? Oh no, it's a little penguin. And look how slow rising this is. That's so slow rising. I'm gonna press the. Like, oh my gosh, this little penguin is my life. It's so cute, and the little feet. So guys, it brought some extras too. Yeah, these squishies brought, this package came with some extras, and the extras are these little things. These are, you see that I showed you guys the squishies and I said that all of them have hooks. You have to put this in the hook and then you can tie this anywhere you want. And I'm actually put the hook on all of them right now. If you guys want to see me do that, well, you can stay. And if you guys do not want to see me do that, then you can just leave. And I'm actually going to get all the squishies out of the packaging. Because the packaging is really ugly. They're just little bags and that's it. I don't really need the packaging. Oh guys, and stay tuned. After this video, I'm going to be doing a squishy and slime scam video. So this squishy package is supposed to be coming with 16 squishies. So let's count how many I got. Let's move the clips and let's count. So 1, 2,